In this video, we'll walk you through the cleaning process. Please make sure to watch until the end of the video for the best cleaning experience, so you can enjoy clean, filtered spot water. First, you will need a garden hose, the spray nozzle, and a 5-gallon bucket. Please refrain from using a power washer. The Tri-X filters cannot be cleaned in the dishwasher. Reference your spot owner's manual to turn off the power to your hot tub. Proceed by removing the filter lid. Carefully remove the filter cartridges one at a time by unscrewing the cap counterclockwise. Set aside on a clean surface. We recommend starting with the circulation pump filter, which has the gray filter cap. Remove any large debris by hand, such as twigs or pine needles, that can be easily cleared from the filter grates. Unscrew the bottom filter ring cap and place the filter bottom side down. Hold vertically and spray between the vertical side openings. Rotate the cartridge as you spray to ensure all sides are clean. Turn over the filter cartridge to bottom side up, where the 9 cavities and center channel are showing on top. Continue to spray and rinse through the center and all cavities until the water coming out of the filter is fully clear of any debris or bubbles. Fill a bucket with clean water up to 3/4 full. Hold the filter cartridge with both hands, submerging it in and out of the water with rapid motion about 10 times. Change the water and repeat the process if the water becomes dirty. For a deeper clean, use a filter cleaning product, such as the freshwater filter cleaner. Fill a 5-gallon bucket with clean water up to 4 gallons full, then add the filter cleaning product to the water. Submerge the filter cartridge and let it soak in the bucket for several hours or overnight. Next, thoroughly rinse the filter cartridge with a hose from the inside out until no noticeable residue of the filter cleaner remains. Check the filter cartridge for any signs of damage. If signs are visible, the filter cartridge must be replaced. To finish, reapply the bottom ring to the filter cartridge. Return it to the hot tub, replace the filter cap, and then turn the power on to activate the heater and jets. Remember, regular cleaning extends the life of your Tri-X spa filters. For more details, refer to your owner's manual or contact your local Hot Spring Spas dealer. You can also find the Tri-X filter cleaning guide at www.hotspring.com.